Hi guys, this is me Sir Tawheed, and today I am going to teach you the parts of speech. You know that most of the student doesn't know what are actually the parts of speech. They might know their names, but they actually don't know what is actually the parts of speech. So I'd like to let you know that first of all, what is actually the part of speech. The parts of speech are the different types of words in English, or in the easiest way, I could say that it is the different kinds of words. The kinds of words are called the parts of speech. So there are actually 8 parts of speech. Names are noun, pronoun, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, preposition, conjunctions, and interjections. Now we are talking about the first part of speech, which is noun. Noun means name of anything, or in the easiest way I could say noun means name. The name of anything, maybe of the name of any person, place, thing, or animal. Examples could be like Ali, book, dog, Karachi. Moving on to number 2 part of speech, that is pronoun. Pronoun replace nouns. Like I could say Angelina is coming, then I could also say like this in the way like she is coming. So, or there are few other words like it, you, we. So they can actually remove or replaces nouns. If you use these pronouns, you are not required to use nouns or their names. The third part of speech is adjective. It describes noun or pronouns like good, intelligent, heavy. Like I could say this table is very heavy. Or like we say John is an intelligent boy, or my computer is working, or my computer is very good, it's good, it looks good, something like that. Number 4 comes as verb. It shows actions or a state of being, like go, jump, enter, or is, am, are, was, were. Actually, a verb defines 2 types of things. So maybe the motions or some kind of actions in which you can see the movements. But there is another part of verb that is called state of being, which means to be something. Like I could say he is a student. There's nothing moving in this sentence, so this kind of sentences carry verbs relating to state of being. Another thing is adverb. It describes verbs like slowly, beautifully, intelligently. I could say that she runs very slowly, or he writes poetry beautifully, or I could say he is scoring intelligently in any game or in anything. Okay. The number 6 is preposition. It shows relationship between nouns or pronouns, or shows position. This is the easiest way of saying that. Preposition shows positions like in, at, on, under. I could say like the book is on the table. So in this sentence, there is a word on which is describing the position, and there is no other word that could describe it. So I could also say that I am in a bedroom. So here in represent my position, that I am inside the room. There are hundreds of prepositions. There is unlimited. I mean, I don't think that anybody could have learned all of them. Okay, so moving forward, there is another one that is called conjunction. Conjunction is a connector, or we could also say that they are joinder. They joins two words or two different clauses or sentences. The words of conjunctions are like and, but, because, if, since, and there are many more. But here I have mentioned just 3 ones. They are quite familiar to everyone. And the last one is interjection. It shows sudden feelings or emotions like oh, ah, ouch, blah. These actually create exclamatory sentences. These are kind of emotions which you feel and they come out of your mouth unintentionally. Like if you are moving on a road and a kind of thorn piercing your leg, and you could say ouch. So this is the word which is not deliberately said. This comes out itself. You don't intentionally say that.